What's going on everyone, Tosh coming at you guys with another video. This is an unboxing / review of the affordable Bluetooth wireless headset. Now I'll show you guys the brand and all the features it has to offer, but I do want to say these things are amazing for the price that you're paying. I believe it's sitting at the $50 price point, maybe even a little bit less. I'll post it on the screen at the time of this video what the price was. Did get it off Amazon like I do with everything. They are the earbud ones, and the best thing I can compare them to another product that I own is the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and I will say these things are even a tad bit better quality-wise for the price that you're paying, the fraction of the price of what the Galaxy Buds, even the earpods. I won't even compare these to the earpods, the Q-tips that you have in your ear. I would choose the Galaxy Buds over the earpods all day, but even with this product, I don't know, man, this product might steal the shine from both of them, considering the price point and the features that you're getting for the price. So I'm gonna stop talking, guys. Let's get straight into this review / unboxing for you guys. All right, so here we are, guys. A small box, but it's packed with a lot of features, or a fraction of the price, like I said, of all the competitors. I've had these type of I have had earbuds that were in the $20 price range that were the same style, all the way up to the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which are a more premium earbud Bluetooth headset. But these, I got to use them for a couple of days, and I got to say these things are amazing for the price. I had very high doubts on this product because, like I said, most products that I got that were below the $100 price point were very subpar. They didn't really have much audio quality. It was just good enough to listen to like podcasts, but other than that, you weren't wowed by anything. But I gotta say, with these, the quality is amazing. Like, I was just shocked. I'm almost on edge here. Like, I want to say I would probably choose these over my Galaxy Buds. Now I'll do a side-by-side comparison in another video. This is just going to be a quick overview of the product itself. We'll put this off to the side and I'll show you guys that. Let's just see what we get in the box. So they are in a styrofoam little piece. Has everything. You get a user manual. Nothing special. What else we got up in here? All right, so instructions. We don't need to look at the quick start guide. You get the accessories. See what accessories it comes with. So you get the earbuds, and then it is, which I wish it was USB-C. Unlike the Galaxy Buds, they are USB-C. And that's all that comes in this. But what we're only worried about here is these guys. As you can see, it is a shiny black and then a matte black on the bottom. You get the 4 lights, which indicate the charge. As you can see, they light up. I got a full battery. Let's take this off. As you can see with the actual earbuds themselves, comes with a gray chrome look on the ends here. Now these aren't touch sensitive in a sense where it's touch sensitive. It is a button. As you can hear it clicking. It doesn't take much force to push the button, which is good. So you won't be pushing these too hard into your ear when you're trying to skip songs. I don't know the full features as far as how many times you got to push it to skip the song, to read that in user manual. Each side does have a button too, so you can control whatever features with each side. Pause, play, whatever it may be. So it is like a gunmetal gray. Take the cover off so you can see how big the tips are. So I want to be able to do a walkthrough with you guys, show you guys how easy this is to hook these up. It's just as good as all the competitors. Galaxy Buds, what I had personally, and I would choose those over any of the headsets I've used previously until I came across these. Because of the price point, you can't beat it. But other than that, if I were to choose other than these, it would be the Galaxy Buds over the earpods. Those are the main 2 competitors. I know it's 50-50. There's always going to be a dispute between which one's better. If you're looking to save a lot of money compared to the $130 price point for the Galaxy Buds, even higher price point for the earpods, which is ridiculous, you can get these guys. I believe they're $50 right now. Initially, they said they're on sale. Initially, they're $80 or something like that. But I want to tell you guys about the features it offers and how easy it is to hook these up. Just because you're paying $50, you're pretty much getting all the features you get out of the high-end competitors. I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough for you guys. So you're going to, obviously, when you open it up, get the earbuds out. These are already paired to my phone. So I can unpair them and show you, but these are already paired, so I want to show you the convenience of how it just hooks up. Now, all you got to do, just like any of the Galaxy Buds or the earpods, you open them up. But the one thing I do like about these, they're a little bit more magnetized. So when you take them out and put them in, it grabs it. You get it close enough to the base, and it just pulls and snaps right into place. So you know it's secure, and the earbuds are being charged. So you don't have to worry about that. You know they're in place. You'll see that they are being charged. As soon as you put them in, take them out, put it back in. You see the light. That's how you know, another confirmation that they are being charged. Once you have the Bluetooth paired, automatically every time from there on out, as long as your Bluetooth is on your phone, as soon as you take these out, you'll be prompted with the voice on the inside of them saying connecting.
So each earbud will tell you that it's connecting, and that you can ensure that each earbud will be able to have feedback. As soon as I play music right now, they're in my ear at the moment. I can play music right now and you'll be able to hear them. I didn't do anything. This live footage. It is literally that easy, guys. You just open it up, put them in your ear, it's gonna connect, and you're gonna have automatic audio to whatever it is you're trying to listen to, whether it's YouTube, music, whatever it is you want to listen to, podcast. The convenience of being able to have these connect right to your phone as soon as you take them out of the battery case is just amazing. Like I said, for the price, it's just amazing. 50 bucks. And like I said, I gotta use these while I was at the gym, and I gotta say the clarity is just as clear as the Galaxy Buds, which I actually really enjoyed the Galaxy Buds. They're just as clear, but the one thing these have the upper hand on, which is why I say these are a tad bit better than the Galaxy Buds, not only for the price, but the bass. There's actually some pretty clear, non-muffled bass. That's the one thing I felt was the downfall for the Galaxy Buds. They were clear, but they didn't have much bass. It was just enough to just make the music sound natural and without sounding too tinny. But these come with the clarity and the bass. Now, I will say, they're a little bit bigger than the Galaxy Buds themselves. I keep comparing the Galaxy Buds because that's what I'm coming from with these. They're a little bit bigger than the Galaxy Buds. I do think the Galaxy Buds are a tad bit more comfortable personally. I feel like they stick out, have a little more stick out than the actual Galaxy Buds do. Galaxy Buds more form-fitting to the ear. But these are super comfortable, don't get me wrong. These are real lightweight, especially being a little bit bigger, which you would expect because you're getting better battery life. And then on top of that, you're getting bass. So whatever it is that's on the inside that's allowing you to get that high quality and fast charge, and I would assume you got to compensate with the size a little bit. So they're super comfortable. They look slim. They're stylish to me. They don't look all weird and someone's going to be seeing you down the street like, what the hell's in his ear? I mean, you can see for yourself. Some of the features they do offer, like I said, it's got Bluetooth 5.0. Each earbud has a 60 milliamp battery, which allows you to have 6 to 8 hour playtime. On top of that, the case itself has an 800 milliamp battery, which allows you to have up to 60 hours of playback time. 60 hours. So you can go a couple days, maybe even a week without even charging the case. So I mean, you're getting amazing battery life with these, like I said, for the fraction of the price, 50 bucks. I mean, they should still be 50 bucks if you're checking out this video. It did say $80. Even for the full price of $80, it's still a steal. But for the price of 50, that's just amazing. Also, it does have Realtek chipset with a headphone chipset within the earbuds. If you're familiar with audio, Realtek is a reliable source as far as audio drivers. Getting a reliable source chipset within earbuds. Also, they are sweat resistant. It says IPX5. It says waterproof. I don't think they're waterproof. Maybe you can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not going to test it, but it does say sweat resistant. So any of your basic needs as far as activity wise, I go to the gym. I'm in the gym 5 days a week. So I'm definitely going to put these to the test. Bluetooth 5.0. A reliable chipset for the audio quality. Automatic pairing as soon as you take them out. You got waterproof, sweat resistant. What else would you want in a headset? I mean, they're light, long battery life. I mean, we're going on 2 hands here of features. Also, it's got passive noise cancellation. That's 7 amazing features right there for a fraction of the price of all the competitors. I wish I could let you guys hear them, what I'm hearing, but take my word for it, the audio quality is amazing. So all in all, if you're looking for a Bluetooth ear pod, which everyone should nowadays. I mean, these are the most convenient earbuds, not this brand, but just this style in general. For me personally, I think these are the best style earbuds you can get. This is just more discreet, simple, open them up, put them right in your ear and then connect. I mean, any style like this is the way to go. And like I said, for the price and the features that this specific brand has, like, you cannot beat it. I highly recommend. I would give these 5 stars. Now, that could change. Maybe in a week these things break or something goes wrong with them or the battery just dies so quick that I got to get another pair. I can obviously do an update video on that if that ends up being the case. But like I said, I'll have a link down below on Amazon. If you want to get them, go check them out, buy them. If you don't like them, especially Amazon, their return policy is like 5 star. I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but they usually take everything. So if you actually used these before, let me know what you think about them. But again, like I said, these things are awesome and you get everything you need. I don't know what else you were looking for in the earbud. I don't know if they have different colors. I'll have that information on the screen if they do have different colors. Pretty much it for this video, guys. Like I said, I give these things a thumbs up. You got my approval on these. If you guys did like the video and that helped you out and you want to go check them out, everything will be linked down below. Comment down below if you got anything to share or whatnot. If you got another brand that's just as good, if not better, let me know. Let's start up a conversation. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Y'all stay nerdy. I'm out. Peace.